October 14th, we go to the shareholders to seek to get approval to sell our aviation group out of Capital A into AirAsia X. And similarly, AirAsia X shareholders a few days later will vote to see whether they want to buy from Capital A AirAsia. Firstly, once that's put together, then you have a new airline group, AirAsia Group, which will be the combination of AirAsia X and AirAsia. It's an exciting time because with the new types of aircraft that are coming in, we can finally have one airline. I had to create two airlines before for medium haul and for short haul, but now with the A321LR, we can have one airline serving all of Asia, which means we can now really dive deeper into Asia. Huge amount of growth in secondary and tertiary cities, connecting secondary and tertiary, primary and secondary with this new type of aircraft. The process starts to create AirAsia Group, which will be newly listed, probably by December, if approved by the shareholders. And that leaves a new company, really, Capital A, without the airline, which, of course, all the emphasis has been on the airline. But Capital A, through COVID, we have built four great companies. The first one is Capital A Aviation Services, which has a real diamond in the making, ADE, our engineering company, which I think will be one of the best in the world. Incredibly innovative, incredibly disruptive, very low cost, fast turnaround, and will bring lots of new ideas to the MRO field. Then we have our cargo division. We never did cargo, but one of the benefits of COVID was we reinvented ourselves, and we came out with Teleport. And Teleport has gone from 0 market share to now the leading in ASEAN for air cargo. Has two other businesses, which is the movement of e-commerce, last mile and first mile. Then we've got our digital group, where we've got two groups. One is Move, AirAsia Move, which is our OTA. First airline in the world to go out and take its website and make it into an Expedia or a Traveloka or Booking, which is really coming out very nicely. Huge cultural shift for the airline team to be seeing their competitors on the website. But if we didn't do that, we would have ended up losing all our business and all our customers to OTAs. By creating an OTA, the airline has a chance of keeping its customers. And then two companies, our loyalty company and our fintech company, Big Pay and Big Rewards, to create a kind of new fintech group, marrying payment, remittances and rewards together. It's a very exciting time. And finally, our brand, where AirAsia has built a very valuable brand, over $1 billion valued by brand finance, which we're now going to monetize. We have luggage deals, we have hotel deals, people wanting to license our name.
And it seems that you've outlined the potential for Capital A and the value you can potentially unlock once this is done. But first things first, of course, you have to get the 2 votes, and you seem pretty confident you're going to get that. If you do get approval from both sets of shareholders, what is the timetable now for the decoupling of the companies and for the companies to become 2 separate entities?
So the timing of the decoupling, once we get the 2 approvals, if we get the 2 approvals, then we got one more step to go to the courts to do a capital reduction, which should take about a month, and then we can list. So AirAsia Group will be hopefully listed by December,